Hi guys, I'm going on holiday soon and that means I can add some pizzazz to my hair. By pizzazz, I mean the use of accessories to make it a bit bolder and more fun. I ran a quick poll on Instagram yesterday and my family over there helped me pick between color string, jaws grip, clear beads and jewelry. By jewelry I mean hoops like this that just go through my hair and add some character. Guess what came out on top? Dun, 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 dun. Clear beads. I'm really excited about this, so let's get to it. The only tools that you'll need are the beads themselves and a beading wand or beading needle that comes inside the package. Another thing you'll need is something to secure the beads in place at the bottom once you put them in, like these elastic bands. I got mine from Discam, but I feel like changing it up a bit. I decided to use jaws grip instead, just to add a bit more flavor and boldness to my hair. First things first, you grab your beading wand, load the beads like this, and then you put your hair through the beading needle like this, right? Like this, and then you push up. You push up, et voila, my beads are on my hair. Otherwise you can just use your fingers by twisting the end of the hair so that it can go through the bead, and you simply tuck it in and pull through. I trialed a 3 bead to 1 jaw grip ratio and really liked the outcome, so I'll be continuing with it throughout to cover my head. Here's a close-up look of what I'm talking about. Pretty, ain't it? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any updates. I also have a website, LERATOLEFAFA.com, where you can check out more lifestyle topics. Mwah!